Hello everyone, and good morning. Hope guys that you're doing well. Hope that you are great. So let's start with the weekly market outlook. Okay, yesterday I wasn't there, so that's the reason why we didn't have the weekly market outlook yesterday, and we'll have it today. Okay, right now. So guys, just feel free to ask any questions. Those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to use the chat there, and those who are watching me on TradingView as well, feel free to ask anything. I'm here to answer all your questions. I love when you are guys asking, so at least then I see that you are a serious trader. So first, what I will do is I will go to the published idea. Okay, good morning Aldrin, hello. So what I will do is I will go to all those published idea that I have shared with you guys on TradingView, and then we will go step by step there with the with the pairs. Okay, I will share with you the setups that we are watching for. I will not go through all the charts, to all the pairs, because I seen that it's not making sense. We are just wasting our time. So based on that, I will just explain and show you the setups that are almost ready and the setup that we have to watch. Okay, and if you guys have question about any pair that wasn't analyzed by me, just feel free to use the chat. I will simply watch the chart for you and give you my advice or my tips or how to trade it. Okay, so what do we have there? It's I have shared there the USD. Okay, USD is trying to set up for a reversal, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so we want to see the little bit bigger correction like I have drawn there, and then this to push out of this daily reversal structure. Okay, and then what we want to see is one more correction over there and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so based on that we will have a big reversal of this structure. Okay, if you will zoom out, we will see that we are in the reversal. Okay, we are making a nice reversal over there, at least this. Okay, in this move we have to decide will it break out or will it go lower. Okay, so it will be really good chart. Okay, good potential is over there. Hello Steve. Silver is doing really well, and yeah, great. I know that you're buying that silver all the time. You're doing good job. But I'm not sharing the silver with anyone. It's my silver, don't touch it. Okay, so New Zealand USD, what we are having as well there is this setup. It's still there. I didn't change anything, just it went lower. Okay, they didn't change the picture, so we are still there. I would love to see the correction there and keep pushing higher. Okay, what will cause this move is once the dollar will start dropping. Okay, so once we will see the dollar start dropping, we will see the New Zealand USD start pushing its way to the upside. For now there is nothing. Okay, so you can't do anything, you can trade it until you will have a sideways over there. Okay, so they always can drop before they will go. Okay, so a similar structure was there. Look at that one. Okay, so it was quite similar than what the price did, correct, like this. Okay, we have a correction like this one. Then what the price did, it went lower, and then what it did, it started pushing higher. Okay, so similar movement can appear over there. Went up, drop, giving you one more buy, and then it will go higher. Okay, so something similar can happen before the New Zealand USD will go to the upside. So stay patient. We may see some sideways move over there, so that's the reason why we supposed to not push the chart or let's say why we supposed to not be aggressive over there. So wait for the correction, look left. Okay, you will find the similarity over there which needs to appear, then we will start going higher. Okay, we have a question. I don't understand how any of these fiats are doing well right now after COVID and now all these shortages of part, food, metals, gas and etc. I mean here nothing is cheap and it costs more fiat to buy everything. I have no idea. Okay, I'm not that supported by the fundamentals. Basically, I'm not trying to watch any correlations or something like that. I'm not even trying to understand this. So I have no idea. You probably need to ask some fundamental trader. He will have a answer which will not be stable probably. So New Zealand USD, yeah, like I said, it's still there. Chart didn't change. Euro yen, what we are having there, okay, it's still there. Setup is still there. It just went a little bit deeper. That didn't change the structure. We are still waiting for this correction and then the chart to push higher. Okay, so this move is what we are targeting. Can we find any flags over there before the breakout? Yes, that's possible. We can find the breakout before, we can find a flag before the breakout. Streaming slow. I don't think this is on my side because everything seems it works fine. So how about the others? Do you guys having any problems with stream or just only one guy is having a problem with the stream? From my side it looks like everything works fine, and yeah, okay, thank you very much. Steve has confirmed that everything works fine, so that's Alraz, and this is probably on your side. Okay, so as well I can see that on YouTube things work fine, so that's supposed to be on your side. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much guys for the confirmation. So both TradingView and YouTube works fine, so that's on your side. Try to restart your browser or something like that. Is everything in your area more expensive now that it was a year ago? Yeah, it's a little bit expensive. Yeah, it's a bit expensive. Oil is up, some stuff are up. Okay, so yeah, I cannot say it's not, the prices didn't go up. Food goes up as well. Yeah, this is true. Everything goes up a little bit, but this could be just the problem of the inflation. Okay, that could be the inflation which is hiding behind the scene, but who knows? Okay, but it makes sense if the inflation is behind these, because how much money have been printed in United States that can cause a lot of troubles in the world. Okay, it's not only the COVID is just the story which is behind the behind the inflation. Some food here has doubled. Fresh veggies doubled. Yeah, I know, but doubled. I don't think the prices are doubled. They went up for at least 20%. They're not doubled. At least not in my location. I think it's cheaper for 20-30%. What goes up extremely was only the gas, okay, the oil. That went really high. Thank you very much, Edwin. Yeah, but we will see what will happen, okay? Keep buy the silver. It's gonna protect you from inflation. So Irian, what we are having over there is, yeah, we are still waiting for flag. Maybe we will find it before the breakout, or we will have it after the breakout. Okay, but who knows? We just have to track it every day. This is what we are doing in our academy. We will track down it. We will see once this is ready. We will start trading. But for now there is nothing. It's only on our watch lists. New Zealand yen. That one is still there, hasn't changed the picture. Okay, so this one is even better. If this corrects over there, then that's gonna be a perfect opportunity. Okay, so it's gonna be a perfect opportunity. It's gonna give us a high potential trade, really high risk to reward rate will be there, and it will be worth of taking it. Okay, so this is my priority. Okay, New Zealand yen, it's my priority chart. It's looking really nice, and yeah, I will definitely watch it. Okay, I will definitely watch it. Look at that one. Okay, so once it will break out and correct over there, I will definitely take it. I have to sleep, but I will catch the rerun in the morning. I cannot miss you stream, but I don't need my beat. Yeah, of course, just have some rest, Steve. Okay, and thank you very much. I do appreciate all your comments. So get rest, sleep well, and of course you can watch the recording. So New Zealand yen, these two keep on pushing higher. Definitely you should not miss it. Shiba, it's still there, didn't move anywhere. Okay, it's trying to correct. There was one correction, another one is in the making. If this starts to pushing higher, you all can start watching for the buy. Okay, this could be a nice buy. If it starts breaking up, it will go and tag this high over there. Okay, so put it on your watch list and keep an eye on it. Thank you very much, Steve. Same to you as well. New Zealand Chief, this one it's also there. Okay, it's also there. It just went for one more up, one more low. That didn't change anything. We are still watching it for the upside. Okay, so nothing has changed. As you can see that there are no change of any pattern. Nothing has changed. We are still sticking to the higher time frame direction, and setups are still available. USO it's not there anymore. Okay, so if you took this sell, it was great profit. You have to get out of the trade. Chief yen, okay, Chief yen, it's there, but now it's making a bigger correction over there. Okay, still there. Like I said, if you bought there, you're supposed to take off your profit or at least break even. That was totally your decision, but now you have to watch for this flag to break out, correct, and continue to the upside. So Chief yen is there as well. I think that I have also updated the idea. You know, it's been quite a long when I updated it, so I will update it probably during the day today. CAD, okay, CAD is not that good. Okay, if you took any buys over there, that's supposed to be a break-even trade. It's not moving anywhere, but you can watch this one if you want. Okay, but I do prefer watch the other yen pairs. USDN, this one is also good. Okay, it is correcting over. Oh, come on, sorry, it is correcting over there. Okay, we just have to see what this is trying to do. Once this will start to break out aggressively, you can consider taking some buys over there. Okay, it's gonna be a good trade. What else? Euro Polish zloty, that didn't go far. Okay, didn't go far. If you took it, break even trade. If you catch it again to manage getting, okay, so that's really slow trade. Okay, and it can go really slowly like this, the upside, and then it will drop down. So if you want to trade it, you need a lot of patience, but I do not recommend you taking this trade over there. Euro Polish zloty, it's not what I want. Okay, so I don't want the trades that going like this. Okay, I want them with more momentum. Okay, this is what I want to see from the trades. Oh, sorry, this one. Okay, so I want high volatility trades, trending trades. Euro USD, this is the old idea, DXY. Okay, so here is the example how the chart goes as we expected. It went up, it went down, it went up. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to wait for the reaction. Do we have any kind of the reaction right now on the DXY? No. Okay, and none of you should be in the sell right now on the DXY. Okay, so if you are already in the sell, you're doing something wrong. Okay, so don't jump in the trades over there. Okay, touching the trend line doesn't mean anything. What you would love to see is a price action. Let it react, let it give you at least some kind of the flag over there or confirmation before you start selling. Okay, so at least drop, react, then you can start sell. Okay, same day, drop, react, take a sell. Okay, I have drawn there nicely with the arrows. I hope you guys understand the picture. So react and then sideways movement or flag, then continuation to downside. Okay, so all those who are new on the stream, we are trading the wave analysis, and we're always waiting flags. Okay, flags are our confirmation. That's the reason why we are always waiting for them. Okay, so as it did there was a flag, there was one short-term sell, didn't go far, break even or small profit over there. Same there, look at that one, what a nice reaction. React sideways, take a trade. Okay, so this is what we are waiting over there. Okay, this is what we want to see over there. Let it give some reaction, let it correct sideways, then we will take a trade. Okay, this is gonna be our trade. This is our perfect flag. Probably that's gonna be nicely visible on 1 hour or 4 hour. Okay, some of those time frames will clearly show confirmation over there. Okay, but just follow the arrows, don't get in too early, because we know the DXY is dropping down, we cannot sell. Okay, that makes no sense. Price can still go a little bit higher, or it can struggle there. It can go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then down. Okay, so that's the reason why you can't just sell. It's gonna go lower, but it ain't ready yet. Okay, so and one single touch of trend line, that doesn't mean sell. Okay, so and you can do something like that, and especially if you're talking for a sell or that we are predicting the sell, you can trigger the sell. That's not your entry strategy. You need confirmation before you will take a sell. Okay, so try to understand this, do some back testing on this, what I'm trying to tell you, and you will see that it always do the same. Okay, and there was a nice buy setup during the previous week. Okay, so we in our trading room has recognized the buy. Okay, so this is the reason why having a community which is all the time tracking the patterns is really good. You will at least not miss anything. So here it is. This is what we have been tracking. You can see that we have posted that on 9th of November previous week, some kind of the correction over there and going higher. So let's see what basically happens. Okay, so that's what basically happens. Here it is. Okay, it started to struggle, and then here are some buy setups, and it nicely pushed higher. Okay, so here it was. Oh, sorry. Here it was. Okay, so that's what we've been waiting for. Okay, it was a nice trade over there on the DXY, but now can we buy? No, of course we can buy. Okay, it doesn't matter if price will give us any buy setups over there. Okay, so if this goes for one more buy, it doesn't mean anything. Okay, so this going high, we are not interested for this one, and no one should be interested for this, because this ain't gonna last longer there. It's gonna go up and down and up and down and up and down. Okay, so this is what we may see over there. Okay, this is possibility, and we will not be trading it. Okay, no one should be trading this kind of the reversal sign over there. Just simply ignore it, skip it, and once it will be ready, guys, believe me, there will be a nice reaction over there. Okay, so like I have shown you there, okay, they always give you a sign. Okay, the small sign, the bigger sign. Okay, depends how trained you are. You see that one reaction, and then this one. So one more, look at that one, went lower, price action. Okay, so what do we have right now? There's nothing yet. Okay, this is not a price action which will push the pair to the downside. Okay, so just simply ignore it and ignore the buy. Okay, ignore the buy, that's not making sense. And as well, the risk to reward ratio is bad, and who says that this cannot go just a little bit higher and then drops and then correct and then going lower. Okay, so if you watch for the buy, look at that, where we will have a buy there, stop loss there, and immediately you will be stopped out. Okay, so and this is the biggest problem that usually people are doing. Okay, they are getting in at the top of the structure because they are feeling frustrated that they miss this movement. Okay, so if you miss this movement, don't catch it with the next correction, because it ain't gonna go that far. Okay, if you miss something, okay, sit down, calm, relook at the structure, prepare yourself for the next upcoming wave, which is to the downside, of course. Okay, there's no buy setup over there. Okay, this is what we are aiming for. Why we are aiming down to the downside? Look at that one on the daily structure where we are at. Okay, look at that one. What a nice daily structure is over there. Okay, so we are just losing the momentum. We are showing some signs of reversal. Can this stay there? Yes. Okay, this can as well stay for the sideways over there. No one didn't say that this can go for one more high and then going lower, or it can go straight down immediately. Okay, but if this starts going lower, we all should catch the sell. Okay, so all of you guys need to catch this sell. Sell is a nice opportunity. It's gonna be a nice strong movement, something like this. Okay, so those moves are strong enough. You'll be able to see the correction over there, which will give you the sell from the top, and you will be riding it all the way down. And with this single trade, you will be able to double your account, okay, or at least make 10%, because you will be open at least 4 to 5 trades, something like that, and they will give you at least 20 to 30% growth of your account. Okay, so make sure that you will put that on your watch list. Watch it closely. Do not be stressed out with that buy, or let's say confused by that buy. Okay, and for those who are asking me and sending me the private messages about our community, about our team, about our academy, okay, let me quickly explain how we work. Okay, if you go to our website, tradewithmaster.eu, okay, you will find there a membership tab where you will choose the membership that fits with you. Okay, and if you will scrolling through the website, I think that there is nicely described what you will get. Okay, so what you will have is, with all the membership, you will get the lifetime access. Okay, this is really powerful, because you will be with us all the time, and all upcoming materials will be free of charge. Okay, so all I do and all I upload will be free for you, because I'm all the time working to improve, to create the videos that will help you improve your trading, and I'm all the time keep digging into the traders to see what they are having the most problems with. Okay, I'm keep digging with traders where they are having the most problems and trying to improve it, to trying to create some videos which will help improve their understandings. Okay, and all this will be free of charge, of course, once you will be the member. Okay, right now I'm already making a educational video, okay, building educational videos which will be really educational. Okay, there are at least 5 of them already recorded, but more it's still to come. And there is as well trading room. Okay, on trading room we are talking about the setups, we are tracking the charts, how they are developing, posting the setups, asking questions and so on. If something is not clear to you, you can just simply ask us. Okay, and the educational videos, those are the pre-recorded videos there on the tradewithmaster.eu site. Okay, you will get the access once you become a member, and like I said, all the upcoming educational videos will be free for you. Daily webinar, we are having the webinars where something is not clear to you. Usually this is 9 AM in the London time. Okay, so yeah, it's tradewithmaster.eu. okay, so here it is. If you go under any video or any posted idea, you'll find the link over there. Okay, so there are the links. There are the links. You'll find the links over there. And daily webinars, we're usually having it 9 AM in the morning, London time. Okay, and yeah, that can vary. Okay, if we can change the time, if guys are not having the time, I'm simply moving it. It's not fixed time. Okay, sometimes it's 9 AM, sometimes it's 1 PM. Okay, depends how we arrange in trading room. Okay, so it can vary. Daily webinar can vary from the setups. If there is nothing to trade, nothing to look, there are no questions that guys are having, we are not having the daily webinar, we are free, and so on. Okay, so it's total open and it can vary. And support, of course, you will have my support, and from the traders that are already profitable, consistent profitable, will help you to understand markets. Okay, all the questions we'll have, we are there 24/7. We will be answering. It doesn't matter if there are the holidays, if there is the Sunday or let's say weekend. Okay, we are always there. Also, constantly answering your questions. Okay, and of course you will just have to stick to the membership or choose the membership that fits with you. Okay, so I think that's it. I ain't gonna talk too much. If you have questions about the membership or to become the member of our academy, feel free to contact me. Okay, you can send me as well the private message over there on TradingView. Okay, send me the private message. You can as well join the Telegram. Okay, Telegram, you can join it, and you can send me the private message as well there. You'll find the contact message in the description. Okay, so let's go. Let me just now share the setups. Oh yeah, well there's the one more that we didn't talk about. Of course, there's the silver. Okay, Steve is only trading the silver, and he's so happy to watch the webinars where we are talking about the silver. Okay, so silver did really nice. As you can see, we've been buying it since really long. So what exactly did it? Went up, we bought, we take profit, okay, and we wait for this correction to complete itself. We bought again, and I personally, I'm still holding it. Some of my traders are take profit already. I will still hold it. We'll see how that will develop over there at the top. But let me just quickly show you how we are tracking. Okay, so why it's good to watch the charts together. Okay, so this is what we do in our trading academy. Let me just quickly switch that over there. Okay, these are the setups from the academy. Okay, from the academy that I have shared in the chat. Okay, so this is what you will get if you will be the member. Okay, so in the group chat in trading community, what I have posted over there is this one. Okay, a breakout, we need to wait for the correction. Okay, we wait for the correction, and the next picture, what they did, the price has corrected itself, we took a buy, and exactly this is the price where I have taken a buy. Okay, this is my buy, and from this price is where I'm personally holding, and also some of my traders as well. Some new traders already exited. Okay, some new traders in our academy, they already exited. No worries, we'll fix that problem. Okay, they didn't know what to do exactly, they just get in then get out. No worries. Okay, we are working now on this, and here how the chart develops. Okay, I took a buy there, it went up, it went down, it went up, and now it's struggling over there. Okay, it's somewhere there. Okay, we are still seeing that the silver will go much more to the upside. Okay, so now let me go quickly to the charts. Where's the silver? Somewhere there. Look at that one. Okay, so why we are basically buying the silver? Silver has completed a nice daily structure over there. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 big daily structure has been completed. We break out as well, we create a correction, make a correction that has confirmed that we are having a more upside over there to come, and that was the reason why we are constantly buying it. Okay, so what do we have to do right now? I do not recommend you buying this. Okay, so if this stays like this, it can still drop, giving you the bigger correction. Okay, and then it will go higher. So buying from the spot where it is right now, I do recommend you rather forget it. Okay, what you can do is, if it goes higher, it will still give you the flag, and then you can buy. Okay, that's the reason, or this is the spot from where you can buy again the silver if you are not a buyer from the spot over there. Okay, if you're not a buyer from there, then there's nothing for you. You are free now. You are free, and you can just wait. That's gonna developing over the couple of days before it will give us a clear setup. Okay, so DXY we've been already talking a lot, so I don't want to waste time over there to talk again about it. Let it go higher probably, and giving you some signs of the reversal, and then you will take a sell. Of course, every one of you should take the sell. Okay, sell, it's a nice opportunity. It can go really fast, really strong, and it will visit the previous low once it will started to push aggressively. As you know that on the weekly chart, you can see we are in still this huge structure which is not completed. Okay, so this can still go for this leg lower. Okay, and that's the reason why we are aiming it. Okay, we are watching for this sell over there. I don't see the buy personally. Okay, buy, it's not yet there. And how it was developing over there, this is totally for the sell, and that's the reason why we are taking the sells. Okay, sales has a lot of possibilities and a lot of money over there to be. And let's go USD cat. Okay, so I will go to the charts that are ready. Okay, so what is the interesting to watch is Aussie New Zealand. Okay, Aussie New Zealand, definitely it's a good chart to watch. As you can see, we are in the structure, so no one of you couldn't say that we are not in the structure, because how it behaves, this is a clear correction. Okay, so once you see that we are having the impulse and then correction like this, okay, that's gonna go definitely to the downside. Okay, it's pointing to the downside, at least one more low to break that low basically, and then to start to reverse for the upside. Can this structure basically change? Yeah, it can. If it spiked up, correct outside of this downtrend, and then we will change our analysis. But until we are below the trend line, we ain't gonna change anything. Okay, this can still struggle there, and by the end of the week it can start pushing lower. Okay, so you can just watch it how that develops. Okay, but anyway, it can break up, correct, and to go totally to the upside, breaking all those highs, even correct there and push more to the upside. Daily structure has all possibility that this could start its way. Okay, this could be all the deeper correction. Okay, this could be the deeper correction, and like I said, if it corrects outside of this, all of you should be buyers. That can go massively. Okay, New Zealand USD already commented. Okay, so needs to see some correction before I will be buying. Okay, we need to see some correction before we will be buying. Nothing for now is there. Probably this is the reason of the DXY. Okay, DXY still can push for one more up, and this one more up can bring the New Zealand USD to the downside, but then it will definitely go to the upside. Okay, so all is on dollar right now. New Zealand Chief, this one is setting up already. We want to see a break, correct, and that's gonna be our trade. Can I bot already? Yes, you can, but you have to be careful. Okay, so you have to be careful. This is the flag over there, 1 2 3. This is the flag which will try to push to the upside. So any trade over there before breaking out of this structure is risky, but of course we can take it. Okay, it's good risk to reward ratio. If you take any buy over there, I do recommend you keeping your stops below the low. Okay, so I strongly recommend leave your stops below the low. Okay, that's gonna be a nice trade. This, and to break out of the structure, it's what your target. I do recommend first target is the previous stop. This is at least 3% of the profit, but of course you will add more trades once you catch it. Okay, so you have to put that on your watch list. Definitely it's a good chart to watch. And your Aussie, what we're having over there, yeah, this one needs to correct itself. I want to see there some sideways movement. Okay, so some 1 2 3 flag is what we need. Okay, 1 2 3 flag, it's what we need, and then more downside, at least back at the previous low. Do we have anything right now? No, there isn't anything, but during the day we can have some sideways move and we can take a trade to the downside. And of course, yen pairs are the number one pairs which we have to focus on. Okay, they are doing really amazing job right now. USD yen, as everyone knows, I've been showing that many times, we are in this huge structure. This impulse can appear itself over there, at least take the top before we'll do anything, before we'll see any changes. What is it doing right now? As you can see, that we are in a nice correction for the upside. Now the question is this to go higher, or it's gonna correct and go lower? Who knows? Okay, nobody knows this. It's just a gambling if you will think that you know where this is going to. But once this is finished, then price will go down or up. But what you want to be, or what you're interested, definitely you want to be interested only for a buy. Do you have any buy right now? No, there is no buy at the moment, so I'll just quickly delete this. What I do recommend, you buy above the high. Okay, you can buy above the high. That's definitely a good idea. Okay, something like this. This is gonna be this could be your trade above the high, and this is your trade. Okay, first trade 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. I think this trade will be good. If it drops lower, then you're supposed to not be in the trade. Okay, so if this drops lower, you will not be in the trade anyway, so you don't need to to be afraid or no any frustrations are over there, because you have to be calm. You just have to let it tag the low, okay, and then turns. It may give you the flag before the breakout then, okay, and then you will have again the same trade. But what is the problem? What usually people are doing, what usually people are having is this one. Once this drops, they are getting panic. Oh my god, I didn't take the sell, but I knew it was gonna go lower. I knew there is the sell for the upside, and la 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 la. I supposed to take the sell and so on. No. Okay? Once you are in the structure for buy, there are no any sells that you can take. Okay? No any sells are possible over there. It doesn't matter how fast or how far this goes, there is no sell stop and you can't take it. Okay? It's simple as it is. Only watch for the buy stops, because after all you will get confused over there. Okay, if you'll be trying to catch the buy sell and so on. No, this is how things doesn't work in trading. Okay, it will just give you some confusions. You will probably got lost on the chart if you will try to catch every single wave. Okay, if you want to catch every single wave, you will be confused too much. New Zealand yen, sorry. I think idea it's clear. We all know what we are doing. We just want to see some kind of that correction before we'll take a trade. Why? Because this can still go lower and you have a stop loss. Okay? And what we have to do, we have to wait for the simply confirmation, then we can take a trade. Of course, on the 1 hour there, it will be one confirmation. Definitely, I can bet on that. Okay, so just let it go for the sideways, then take a buy. Okay, nothing else. If no, in case if this will not happen, just stay calm, let it break out. The trade is still there. Okay, it's still there. Just remind the silver. Okay, so once you think that this will go without you, just remind the silver. Remember on the silver and watch the silver. Silver before it goes gives you the nice correction, and all the pairs will do the same. New Zealand yen as well. Okay, just patiently wait for this kind of sideways move. Euro yen, same scenario, same stuff. Okay, so let it go higher, let it correct and take a trade, or even there where it will appear. I have no idea. I cannot predict where the correction will appear, but definitely you have to watch it every day. Okay, every day. This is the reason why we are on the charts every day. Okay, we watch if there is any possibility. What is it about to appear? Is there any potential setup? If it is, we put a focus on. If not, then we spend some time on backtesting, training ourselves, our minds, our eyes, because it's really important. Okay, and if not, then we are free. Okay, if there are no setups and if we do all the backtesting, then we are free. We all need to keep in mind that why we choose being the Forex traders are just because of the freedom. And some of you are just addicted with clicking, as I can see. Don't be addicted with clicking the trades. Always remember that you choose Forex or trading, let's say, just because of being free. Okay, just because of the freedom. You want the freedom, and keep in mind that stay away from the chart if there is nothing, and enjoy your life, enjoy your time with your families, go for a coffee and so on, do some gym, do some trainings, just take care of your health. So let's go. Chief yen, what do we have there? Nothing yet there. Okay, I'll wait for clear breakout correction and I will take a trade. Okay, so nothing is there. So CAD yen, I don't see anything before the breakout. Aussie yen as well, I don't see Aussie yen trade. Pound yen as well not. So those are the all yen pairs that we can focus on. Okay, they're doing really nice, and nice setup needs to appear over there, but the rest is not ready. Okay, so I will not talk about the charts which are not ready or they are almost at the bottom. Okay, maybe pound Aussie. If pound Aussie gives you some confirmation, some sideways movement there on lower time frame, you can take a sell back at the previous low at least. Okay, so I will put it red. Okay, we will keep an eye on it. Silver, definitely. Okay, we will see what this is doing. If you are in the buy, if this goes up, gives you any correction, and you have to take off your profit. Okay, so all those buys needs to be closed over there. Okay, all those buys needs to be closed over there. Gold can go more, even more. Okay, so gold has much more possibilities what I will wait for is this one to complete. Okay, so this one, let it go lower, and then I will see what is it trying to do. Okay, going up, giving me some confirmation, then going higher. Can it give us a confirmation a bit higher? Yes. Okay, potential wave is still there. It can go back at the previous top really fast, because this is gonna be 1, 2 and 3 for more downside. Okay, but we need to break the top. Top needs to be tagged or at least broken. Can I request some stocks? Yes, of course you can. Just write them down. I will add it for you and we'll take a look. And this is it. Oil, nothing yet there. I'm still waiting for the sell. There is no clear sell at the moment. Okay, so we'll simply ignore it. Nothing yet there. US 30. Okay, this one may be interested. So let it go for the side. Let it drop a little bit sideways. Take a sell. Okay. Nasdaq 100. Nothing is yet there, but definitely I'll watch for the sell stops. Okay, nothing is yet there. You can't sell it. SP 500 as well. They can just tag the top, then stay there, giving us some signs of the reversal before going lower. Okay, so don't trade over there. That's too risky. Wait for the sell stops. And all the indices needs to go lower. Okay, all that needs to go lower. JPay, yes, well, going lower, even tagging the top and then reverse. Okay, so nothing is there. That's not tradable. UK 100 is gonna be an interesting chart. Let it correct there. Okay, if it corrects there, then a nice opportunity is over there. As you can see where we are at, we are totally at the top, and if this so it's gonna go lower, visit those lows again. And HK, nothing interesting. Okay, if it corrects there, you can take a buy. It's gonna go back at the top, something like this. Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, this is the trade since previous weekly market outlook. Okay, previous Sunday we took a buy over there on the Bitcoin. It did really amazing job. So those who are first time there, watch the recording. Recordings are always on my trading view under the profile. You will see the stream tab. You can watch the previous recordings, and as well on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Under the videos you will find the previous weekly market outlook. You can see what we did and why we take a buy over there. We make a nice money over there on the Bitcoin USD. It was exactly during the webinar. Okay, during the webinar we took it. Some of you guys from the general public, I know you took it because you have sent me some feedbacks with nice profits. I'm really happy for you guys that you are learning and making money, of course. So what the Bitcoin is trying to do in the upcoming days, I will take it off. I will take everything off. Let's see what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Okay, so I hope this is not gonna go and give us the reversal structure. If so, then it's gonna go lower. Okay, but nothing is yet for now. Let me just delete this one. So let's see what we are doing right now. This is trying to give us some sales, but too far to say. This could go lower, but if it stays for the sideways, yeah, it's gonna go higher. Break the stops again. Okay, so something like this. Let me just take it like this. This is what we'll have. Okay, so something like this. Okay, and then it can still go lower. Okay, so keep in mind that Bitcoin is quite interesting now, and it can just go for the correction before next wave to the upside. Okay, so I think it's forming right now a reversal structure, so keep in mind, watch it. Can you please give some examples of exit chart patterns? I will do that. We will talk about this exit chart patterns. Yes, of course. Okay, so sheep. There's sheep, but sheep is trying to give us some buys. Okay, so let's see what this is trying to do. Give me the 1 hour picture. Yes, let's see. That can go for one more low, give us the low, and then they will go probably. Okay, keep in mind, watch it closely. Okay, so this is it. So we have some questions about Canada, some stocks, BP and PLC stock. Okay, so let me add that for you. BP. Okay, BP. Let's see what the BP is trying to do. I don't have personally that stock, haven't seen it for now, but let's see, let's analyze that for you. What is it trying to do? Oh, that's definitely going lower. Okay, this is definitely going lower. We are in this huge structure over there. As you can see, I don't see the buy right now. Let me see the weekly. Yeah, we will go down probably, as it looks like. So this to stay there, couple more hours probably, and then this to drag lower. Okay, this to drag lower. So keep an eye. Let's see what this is trying to do. And the other one is it's PLC. Let me just add that for you. PLC. Bro, is this one? I think it's this one. If this is not the chart, correct me. I'm first time watching on those stocks. So PLC. What is it doing? It's going higher. It's closely. If you are the buyer over there, know that the UK, which UK? Oh, it's not this one, BP. Okay, is this correct chart? Forex at home, or what is your username? Hi all, where are dislikes? Thank you very much. I will appreciate all the likes, guys, on TradingView and YouTube as well. So you are the good reminder, Queen Desk. Thank you very much for reminding. UK stocks. Oh, let me just see. BP. Which one is it? Can just quickly tell which one is it? Oh, this one, you mean? No, not that one. Oh, it's just the one PLC. Like this one. That one. Is this the chart we need to watch? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one's going nice, and if you bought it already, you did a really good job. Okay, good one. If you bought it, you can still hold it. Okay, you can still hold it, but not for too long, because I think that this is showing some signs of the reversal right now. Okay, this is trying to give us some signs. Let's see if this gives you any flag for sell. You can take a profit. Okay, take a profit, wait to pull back the trend line, and then you can buy again in case if it gives you any flag over there from the trend line. This is how I will trade it. Okay, that's just my opinion, because I don't see that this is gonna go too high. Okay, Oh, this one. Finally we find the chart. No, that's not that one. Or yes, it is. God damn it. Yeah, those stocks are quite interesting. I haven't been adding it. This one is interesting. So this is the chart you're watching at. Okay, we find it finally. We find it finally. Okay, so let's see what this one is doing right now. We analyze the whole stock almost. What do we have right now? Let's see. Weekly. We made a new low. This is good. And there's a correction. We need one more correction, and then this will continue to the upside. Okay, so right now what we are having, we are in the correction as it looks like. Okay, we are in the correction looks like. This is the first impulse of the correction that may go up, it may go down, give us the sideways, and then it will go to the upside. Okay, this is what I see. That's my view on the BP stock. Okay, sideways before going higher. Can't go lower, I don't think so. There are no signs of any drop right now. Okay, so I don't see this movement. Okay, so no sells, but definitely I see the correction over there before this going higher. Okay, so keep an eye on it. I would watch it for the buy. What do you think about KP3R, NS and Crow? Let me see. Those are the crypto, right? They went really nicely, as I can see. So what's to do? Okay, what to do? That will go probably for the sideways. 1 hour. This will go, probably spend some time now over there. It can go even higher, something like that. Thank you very much for all the follows, guys. This is gonna go probably sideways over there. I don't see the seller right now. Okay, sell, it's not ready yet. Okay, so this can struggle over there right now on the 1 hour, as you can see, and one more wave to the upside. It's quite possible. Okay, so a lot of possibility exists for this one. Just watch it. Okay, so once it will start breaking, you want to see some sideways and then buy over there. It's a good chart, yeah, right. Okay, there was a phenomenal buy and one more as well in the making, so good chart. What else? ANC. This is forming a buy setup right now, as you can see. Okay, so we are in the making of the buy setup, but don't take it. Okay, don't take it. You want to see the break, correct, then you can take a buy back at the previous top. Okay, so this possibility exists. Can I take a sell or whatever you're doing? No. Okay, so there's nothing yet. You just have to wait for this correction to complete itself before you will do anything. Okay, it can even go there, correct, and you will be able to catch a buy before the breakout. If not, then at least after the breakout you find the correction. Okay, this is it. Can go lower, yes, as well. It can go deeper, break those lows, and then can still go to the upside. Okay, so this is still impulse over there, and this to go lower. This possibility exists, but for now we are in this buy flag over there, and all the buys are what you have to watch for. Okay, these two scenarios. And what else? Crow weights. Crow. Nice chart as well. There was the flag going higher. It's almost a profit taking area right there, over there. Okay, there's not enough data right now on the chart, so we can say much. Okay, not much to say. If it will gonna continue to the upside, it will correct. Okay, If it will continue to the upside, it will correct over there. If not, it will drop, it will correct, and then you have to take off your profit in case if you're a buyer somewhere there within these areas. Okay, this is how I would trade it, the crypto USDT. Okay, so hope that I have answered all your questions. That's really good when you guys are asking for the charts. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay, all of you guys are welcome. Just feel free to ask, and please hit that like button in case if you still didn't. I do appreciate all the comments and all the likes you are giving, and if you are happy with the webinar and if you like it, please share the link with others. There are many people that needs to see the webinar. Okay, there are many people that wants to learn and understand the basics of wave analysis. Okay, so please share the link with others. Okay, do we have any questions? Thank you very much. Do you have any Telegram? Yes, I have the Telegram channel. Okay, you will find a Telegram channel under every my posted idea. Okay, if you click on it, you will find my social side links over there, and here is the link of the Telegram, the first one. Okay, feel free to basically join it. Okay, thank you very much that you have shared my link in the chat. Okay, so here is the link. The Alrezen already shared the link in the chat. Thank you very much. Look, ADA USDT. Let's see what the ADA is doing right now. Oh, it's quite a confusing one. Okay, we've been watching this one, and if you took any buys over there, then that's gonna be a break-even trade for you. What is it doing right now? Let's see. I think we will visit the previous bottom again. Okay, so I can see that this is the impulse, this is just the correction in the middle, and we are going for one more low before we'll go back at the top again. So what to do? Basically, I do not recommend you trading over there. Okay, ADA, it's not tradable chart right now. Okay, or if you find any buy flag over there, okay, then you can take a buy, but nothing is yet there on 1 hour as well. As you can see, one flag is trying to appear, but that's not enough. Okay, that's not enough. It's this sell is a problem over there. Okay, it was quite aggressive over there. Okay, we didn't have a confirmation. Once we break out, we were waiting for this confirmation before going higher, but that sadly reversed to the downside, and that's the reason why I don't believe in this buy right now. Okay, we need more confirmations. We need more confirmation, something like this, and then going higher before doing anything. Okay, so but keep in mind that this wave still exists there. It can happen really fast. It can even go higher, giving us something like 1, 2, 3, something like that, and that's gonna be a sell. That's gonna be a problem if you go in the buy over there. So rather wait. Okay, so I strongly do recommend you waiting for this development over there. Okay, so breaking this high gives us that kind of the correction, and then one more wave to the downside. Okay, so this is what I can see. You are welcome. So do we have any more questions? Feel free to ask. Oh, I can see that the New Zealand Reef has exploded to the upside. That's great. Okay, so for those who take it during the webinar, okay, those who take it is going right now. Okay, so perfect. You guys are in the profit. So keep the trade. Okay, don't leave it. Don't leave it. Keep an eye. Keep here 3 coins in total. Yeah, they are quite volatile. Those are quite volatile and they can go. This is an interesting movement, interesting volatility. So those who are crypto traders or trading crypto only, watch the coin. It's really interesting. Yes, Queendesk, thank you for that one. They're looking interesting. No, I'm not sick. I'm just saying, nose full of. I have a cold during the week, so now I'm fine. I'm getting better now. So it's already gone. I'm at the end of the cold. Let's say like that. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for being there, and if this is all, I will end the webinar over there. If you have any questions, feel free to send me the message. Feel free to join my Telegram group, and as well, if you are willing to join my team, you know how to do it. Just simply go to the website, and under the membership you'll find the membership that fits with you. Okay, so let's see quickly, 2-3 minutes, if we have any questions over there. How to enter? Simple. Okay, so there was the example. You always need to wait for impulse and corrective. So we have an impulsive movement over there, then we have 1, 2, 3 corrective structure where you will be entering over there. There will be your entry. Where is your stop loss? Below there or below there. Okay, you always have 2 chances, stop loss 1 and stop loss 2. Okay, this is how you will enter. Your entry will be there and you will be riding the trade to the upside. Okay, it's simple as this. Okay, so try that stuff. Try to backtest it a little bit. Okay, always does like this. Same there. If you bought there, put stop loss there or there, trade is just going. Okay, same there, it's going. If you miss this one, don't worry, don't do anything, don't jump in right now, that makes no sense. Let it break, let it correct, then you will repeat the same stuff over there. Okay, so this is the quickly tips how you will be entering the chart or the trades. Okay, on all kind of the market. It's the same for the forex market, it's the same for the crypto, stocks, indices, whatever you're trading in, and it's the same for the buy and sell. Okay, so if I invert the chart, sell will be the same, selling there, stop loss there or there, you will ride the sell to downside. Okay, so this is the quick example how the sell structure looks like. Same there, sell there with stop loss there, stop loss 1, stop loss 2, enter there, and you will be riding the move to the downside. So same there, move to the downside, enter there, stop loss 1, stop loss 2. Okay, so here's a quick example of how to do it. Let me just bring the chart back to the normal. So those are the quick tips, but backtest them. Okay, backtest them, and you will see how it works and how it develops. But if you want more, you have to work on. Okay, you have to develop the rules. But there's too much to exactly tell you how to enter and so on the one webinar. That needs to be a 2-3 hours long webinar if I want to explain you into details from the higher time frames, lower time frames, and so on. Okay, so if this is all, I will end the webinar over there. And please guys, those who still didn't like the video, please hit that like button. This is at least what you can do. And if you are happy with the webinar, everything you have learned over there, just share the link with others. Yeah, also for that advertising doesn't mean anything, okay, but its structure looks good. That's the reason why we can watch it for a buy. Okay, so keep an eye there for CRO for a buy stops. Of course, I do agree, but advertising doesn't mean anything. What I have learned is when people are advertising or once there is the hype in something, then I immediately exit because something big is gonna happen. So stick to the structures only, okay? Forget about advertising and so on. Stick to the structures only. So this is it. Take care and enjoy your days, guys. And I wish you a lot of profit in the upcoming days with the upcoming setups. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you next Sunday. Bye bye.